In this video, we're going to unlock a tool that makes retail traders cry and let smart money quietly eat their lunch. If you're still drawing lines, FVGs with your mouse and hoping the market listens to your feelings, I hate to break it to you, but you're food. But today, we change that. Let's start by adding the beast. Click that Indicators tab. In the search bar, type ICT. Yeah, the one by LuxAlgo. Star it, click it, activate it. And suddenly, you're no longer trading with emotions. You're trading with structure, logic, precision. Now let's break this beast down, piece by piece. FVG, fair value gap. You see those green or red boxes that say FVG? That's not just a fancy shape. That's the imbalance between buyers and sellers. It's where the market moved too fast, without checking if retail was even awake. Smart money often returns to these zones. Why? To fill their orders at better prices. So when price dives into a fair value gap, you don't panic. You prepare. MSS, market structure shift. Ah, yes, the moment the market goes, oops, I lied. A market structure shift isn't just a break of a line. It's a full-on change in market behavior. It tells you, hey dummy, that uptrend, it's done. Bears just clocked in. This is your cue. Watch closely. Structure doesn't lie. People do. OB order block. You see the blue or gray zone labeled OB? This is where smart money left a footprint. It's the last area they bought before price exploded, or the last sell zone before it tanked. It's their base, their camp, their entry. Price returning to an order block is like a boomerang, and when it hits, that's your trigger. Enter like a sniper, not like a hype beast chasing green candles. Look, ICT concepts aren't just buzzwords. They're the language of the markets, the secret dialect of banks, hedge funds, and every institution that's been robbing retail traders blind. But now, you speak that language too. With these ICT concepts, you're not chasing trades anymore. You're anticipating them. You're understanding the why behind every move. You're playing the game like it was meant to be played. So turn off the noise, hide your emotions, read the structure. Because smart money doesn't chase, it waits. If this helped flip your mindset, drop a like, sub, and let the retail herd keep wondering why you're suddenly winning. More fire strategies and concepts coming up. See you in the next one, Sniper.